This video is going to be a real quick review of theme and how we can tell the difference between theme and main idea. So just to review, theme is the story's underlying meaning or the moral message or lesson of the story, sort of the big idea. So the theme is the message or lesson that the author wants us to learn from a story. Common topics for themes: courage, dreams, kindness, be yourself, beauty is on the inside, never give up, accept people for who they are. Ask yourself when you're looking at the theme of a story, what did the characters learn? So the theme isn't just about the actions that happened, but it's about what did the characters learn during those actions. How did the characters grow or change during the story? So along with learning, did any of these things that they learned cause them to change the way they acted? And why did the characters act this way? So if we think about a story like The Tortoise and the Hare, where the tortoise, is slow, but he just keeps on moving towards the finish line. And the hare, or the rabbit, he starts off running the race very, very quickly, but then he decides he's so far ahead he takes a nap and ends up losing the race because he didn't pay attention and he fell asleep for too long. In a story like that, we can say that I know the theme is patience or hard work, or we like to say slow and steady wins the race, because the text says that even though the turtle was slow, his slow, constant work was a better reward than the rabbit who tried hard for just a little while and ended up losing. Sometimes we can get confused, though, between the theme of the story and the main idea of the story. If you remember, we had a chart of this in the classroom. So let's think about Shrek. I know this is a movie that a lot of you like. We could say that the main idea, or what the story is mostly about, is that Shrek goes on a journey to save the princess and save his home. These are the actual actions that are happening in the story. So this is the main idea. What is actually happening in the story? The main event that drives the story. So then what would we say is the theme of the story? The theme of Shrek, we could say that the theme is that beauty comes from within. If we think about that, ogres are like onions saying, you have to peel back the layers of the onion to find the beauty. How do we know this? Well, if we look at the characters that we are shown in Shrek, the rich king is a very mean person, even though he's very rich. The handsome prince, he's not brave or kind or a very nice person at all. Even though Shrek isn't very nice looking, he ends up being brave and he ends up being a nice guy. Fiona is very sweet. She's kind, even though she's an ogre and some people might be scared of her or think that she doesn't look good. So we have lots of examples in the events that can show us what sort of idea we are supposed to think, what lesson we are supposed to learn from this story. Shrek learns that maybe being ugly isn't so bad. Maybe friendship is better than being alone. So those are both two themes that we could come up with from the movie Shrek, because friendship is also pretty important in Shrek as well. Here's another chart that we have for you. This is very similar to the one that we had hanging in our classroom. So again, theme is the moral message or lesson of the story, and main idea is what the story is mostly about. So we can say the main idea of the story is that Amanda always wanted the same things that May had, and the theme that we could look at would be that it's a theme of jealousy. The events in the story could show us that even though Tim was very afraid of heights, he still went on the rope course and went all the way to the top, and this would show us about bravery. So the main idea is talking to us about the actual events, and the theme is talking to us about a lesson that maybe the characters learned or that we as the reader can learn. Let's look at a few examples. We have a little synopsis here. It says, their marriage ceremony was taking place in a grand hotel. All the eminent people of the city were invited. The reason for the celebration was excellent. Eminent just means like most important people. So based on this information, if we were to say what's the main idea of these sentences, we could say there's a big fancy wedding happening with lots of important people, or just there's a big fancy wedding. If we were to say what is the theme in this bit of information, we could say that the idea of this little bit of information says the reason for celebration was excellent. So they're not upset about the wedding. They're not upset about what's going on. They're celebrating. They think it's excellent. So we could say there's a theme of celebration or of happiness. All right, that's all I have for you guys on theme. Have a great day.